Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the wisdom of one of history's greatest physicians, Ibn Sina, also known as Avicenna. His groundbreaking medical texts have influenced generations, and his remedies are still relevant today. If you've been struggling with hair loss or thinning hair, you'll want to stick around because we're uncovering one of his famous natural remedies that could be the game changer you've been searching for. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more health and wellness tips straight from ancient wisdom. Let's get started. Who was Ibn Sina? Before we jump into the remedy, let's take a moment to appreciate who Ibn Sina was. Born in 980 AD, he was a Persian polymath who excelled in medicine, philosophy, astronomy, and more. His most famous work, the Canon of Medicine, was used as a medical reference for centuries. Ibn Sina believed in holistic healing, emphasizing the balance between the body, mind, and spirit. His approach to health included diet, natural remedies, and lifestyle adjustments, principles that are still celebrated today. The problem of hair loss. Hair loss isn't just a modern problem, it's been a concern for centuries. Ibn Sina observed that hair thinning and baldness could be linked to several factors such as poor blood circulation to the scalp, nutritional deficiencies, stress and anxiety, excessive heat or dryness in the body. He emphasized addressing these root causes rather than just treating the symptoms. Ibn Sina's hair loss remedy. Ibn Sina's remedy for hair loss is as practical today as it was 1,000 years ago. Here's a step-by-step guide based on his teachings. Oil infusion for scalp health. Ibn Sina recommended using natural oils to nourish the scalp and stimulate hair growth. One of his favorites was a mixture of olive oil and black seed oil, also known as Nigella sativa. Warm the oils slightly to enhance absorption. Massage the mixture into your scalp for 5 to 10 minutes. This improves blood circulation, reduces dryness, and strengthens the hair follicles. Herbal applications. Ibn Sina advocated for using herbs like fenugreek, rosemary, and henna to promote hair health. These herbs provide essential nutrients to the scalp, have antimicrobial properties to keep the scalp healthy, help balance excess heat, which Ibn Sina believed could harm hair growth. Create a paste with ground fenugreek seeds and water. Apply it to your scalp and rinse after 20 minutes. Repeat weekly for best results. Dietary adjustments. According to Ibn Sina, you are what you eat applies to hair health too. He recommended consuming foods rich in iron, spinach, lentils, to combat anemia, a common cause of hair loss, including healthy fats like nuts and seeds to improve scalp hydration, drinking plenty of water to maintain overall hydration. Stress management. Ibn Sina believed that emotional well-being played a critical role in physical health. Modern science agrees. Stress is a significant contributor to hair loss. Practice mindfulness, meditation, or light exercise to reduce stress and improve overall health. Does it really work? You might be wondering, does this ancient remedy hold up today? Modern research backs many of Ibn Sina's recommendations. For instance, studies show that black seed oil contains thimaquinone, which has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Fenugreek is rich in proteins and nicotinic acid, both of which are known to promote hair growth. Regular scalp massages are proven to increase blood flow and encourage hair growth. While individual results may vary, these remedies are safe, natural, and worth trying as part of a holistic hair care routine. Ibn Sina's approach to hair loss reminds us of the power of nature and the importance of addressing the root causes of health issues. Whether it's through improving your diet, reducing stress, or using natural remedies like black seed oil and fenugreek, his teachings offer timeless solutions. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe for more tips from ancient wisdom and modern science. Let us know in the comments if you've tried any of these remedies or if you have your own tips to share. Remember, health is wealth. Take care and see you in the next video. Subscribe for more ancient remedies and health tips. Follow us for weekly updates, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video.